And my next item on the list is... Alright, here we go. Let's open up this amazing BLACK+DECKER 12 cup programmable coffee maker.
Wow, that was a mouthful.
Yes, I like the last one. Remember,
Yes.
That was a lot of work. But this one is very interesting. I am looking forward to looking at this one because we also have reviewed another product from BLACK+DECKER. I guess BLACK+DECKER is not at the top of their brand. They're sort of like mid to low tier.
I think back in the day, BLACK+DECKER was really the top of the line, but suddenly over the years they started losing.
Other companies have coming out with smart items and things like that. All right, so let's go over. It's a removable brew basket, which is awesome.
You don't have to use the ones that you have to keep on buying.
Yeah, no. So just take it out, clean it, and reuse it,
Yes,
which
I love
saves you a lot of money.
Yes, I love coffee.
No, you're not. It does come with a carafe, right? So the carafe, one of the things about the carafes, you gotta be careful because once you break them, it's more expensive to buy individual items for the coffee maker. So let's unbox it. Let's see what it comes with. Your instruction manual, which we want to do that. Remember, the idea is the programmable is so that you can set it at night and forget it. When you wake up in the morning, you set the time, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. on the machine. Then the next day, if you set it so that at 6 a.m. it has coffee, depending on the amount of water that it has and it measures, it will then start brewing, 20, 30 minutes before you use it.
All right, here we go.
So let's take it out. Nicely, simply packed. I enjoy that. All right, so let's take this and let's do our usual test, which is
the cord.
The cord. Okay, so this cord is not so long, but it's average size.
This is the first item that I've seen that has been basically bubble wrapped throughout.
Yeah, this one.
I mean, nicely packaged. You don't get any scratches on it. You don't get any additional nicks and bumps on it. Very nice.
Wow, nice glossy look. Here's the carafe for coffee lovers. At the top, it has a nice the spout so that the coffee can pull through. One of the things that I don't like about these carafes is that eventually, because of the brewing time and sitting here on the warmer, at the very bottom, they start to get dark, and sometimes it does impact the taste of the coffee. So please don't think that you should keep these on the machine warming up all day. Please don't do that. Heating this up and the bottom of it it just completely changes the taste of the coffee. So here we have your settings. You can have your hour and your minute setting right up front. Also has your programmable information, and then basically all of that down there. I mean, I can't wait to test it out. We did do a nice video. One of the things though about cleaning it up, once you open it, has a nice little raindrop right over here. This is all you need. So you do not need to get the special coffee filters.
But doesn't it fall through in this, or no? Because it has this little spring here.
Yeah, it has a little spot there, so it just
it'll open up when it's ready.
Yeah. So once you set it here, right there you go. You set it here, and basically as the water's falling, it does come down. One of the things you must know, regardless, you may actually be able to use a filter if you want to, because all you need to know is that they let go some of the coffee grinds to the coffee maker. So that's why you don't drink the last cup of coffee. Don't ever do that.
Yeah, don't.
Okay, there we go. And on this side, it definitely has its, the measurements for the cup. So if you're doing 2 cups, 4 cups, 6 cup, all the way up to 12 cups of water. One tip though, remember, if you want to clean these up, all you need to do is put in a little bit of vinegar and water and run it through once, then run it with regular water, and you should be good to go. It completely restores the taste and it cleans out the filters.
I like it. It looks good. Very nice, lightweight. It looks like you can fit it anywhere, and we're ready to make coffee. Okay, Alex, let's move into our 6th item of the day.
The most exciting item of the day.